So what a believer should be concerned about out of these three: spirit, the soul, the mind represents the soul, and the body is the mind. And why? Because the mind needed to be transformed. If there is no transformation of the mind, then there will always be gap. You won't enjoy your Christian life. In case you live here, you leave this earth, you will be with God. You will even go quicker, because your mind is not supporting you to live that spiritual life, so you can even live here quicker. But you will go and be with God. But if your mind is transformed, not until there is transformation and alignment to the spirit, then the things of the spirit will flow through. The reason is the transformation of your mind. It covers the way. If it is not transformed, you can't even think. You can't think right. So when it is open to the spirit, that is connects. So the mind is actually the faculty of understanding. If your mind is not involved, forget about the spirit. We talk of spiritual revelation. Spiritual revelation means it has been revealed to your mind. If it still remains in the spirit without the mind, you are still in darkness. That is why speaking in tongues, it bypasses the mind. The mind is unprofitable. So do you understand? Nothing. Until there is interpretation, until it's connected to the mind. So the transformation of the mind is key. You are to cause the transformation so that you enjoy your spiritual life.